Hi, Tim Biggam for Delta Derivatives, Option Hedges and Edges. Taking a look at a market that might need some downside hedging for the first time in a while. We're seeing that 2,800 level be big time resistance. So price action we saw yesterday smacked at that, opened up strongly, a higher pullback, closed lower on the day. A couple of stocks following the same suit, Etsy and Wayfair. Both these names have absolutely ripped higher here post earnings. Earnings were good, but not that good. Both of them saw big time put buying in the April options. IV is up here, so I'm selling out of the money call spreads on both these names. Wayfair with the stock around 170, selling that 195-200 April spread for about 65 cents, getting almost 15% return with about a 15% upside cushion. So like that risk return trade-off given the move we've had on the stock here, which has been monumental. So not really looking for a big pullback per se, but any just cool down of this red hot rally on these kind of names I think will pay off. Otherwise, I think that Powell put magic starting to wane here as valuations become more and more at the forefront. Earnings season winding down to an end, decent, not great. So I think the market priced a little ahead of itself at anything. I'm slightly bearish to sideways. So until next time, as always, here's a good trading. Take care.